congratulations, Tom, on finishing your fourth investment with Infinite Wealth.
Cheers.
So do you want to tell us a little bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth? What did your financial future look like?
Yeah, I was just a FIFO worker, working away, and just a general bloke at 23, just trying to get ahead, and was looking at buying some property.
Yeah, cool. And what's changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
I just learned some really awesome strategies on how to fast track my way to accumulating property over a good period of time.
Yeah.
And I've just really taken it on board, and I'm passionate about it, so I've just really tried my hardest to work in a job that I like, but at the same time I put money aside to get more investment properties and do that.
Yeah, fantastic. And what has been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
So yeah, it's been a roller coaster ride. Yeah, it's been good. I've had a real good experience with them the whole way through. Every client manager that I've dealt with, to the whole process, the easy and friendly way they communicate with each other, and I'm part of the whole situation.
Yeah.
So I've really get some really good feedback. It's a company that can really help young people that really want to strive to succeed in an environment where on the outside people don't actually know what the actual things that need to be done to get the results that need to happen.
Yeah.
So when you're coming in from the outside and you're like, oh, I'm not sure about property, I don't know what's going on, like Infinite Wealth will really sit you down, show you the processes from start to finish on how they can see a future in your success. And some people think about it every day, like, oh, I want to buy a house, and let's go buy a family home, let's go do this, go do that, but they don't have the actual tools to be able to get that result, so they end up leaving it behind, not trying, going doing something else. But if Infinite Wealth could help a generation of younger people really get into the market, it would be awesome, because then everyone knows how it all works, and it makes things a lot easier for your future. And it's all about building that future so you can have a family, so you can go travelling, so you can do all the fun stuff that you need to do.
Yeah, cool, fantastic. And how does your financial future look now?
Wow, yeah, I've as you say at the start, I've accumulated 4 properties. I'm working hard to set myself up in a way that I'm trying. So yeah, I think I've done well, but I think I've got a lot more to do.
Yeah.
And I think I really want to do this like full time as well. Like I really like property, I love it, and I think as a person, I want to help and learn as much as I can, because I want to continue to learn. So even though I've accumulated 4 properties and I'm doing really, really well, I think that I can achieve a lot more as well. And I think if I had a good group of people like Infinite Wealth around me, I think I can get even better results. So it's all about working hard, but at the same time, you know that what I've done over the last few years is just making things so much easier for my life.
Yeah.
And I appreciate Infinite Wealth for helping me.
No worries. And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Yeah, Infinite Wealth for friends and family, most definitely, especially for education, because a lot of things in school and a lot of things in your workplace, people don't understand or don't know. And what happens is everyone talks, everyone chats, but if you don't get another side of it, or an actual dealing with this topic that people deal with every day of their lives, you'll never know. So all you'll do is just go to work every day, not knowing that this is an option for you.
Yeah.
So I believe that friends and family, if you could get as many people to do this, just even a couple of workshops, an intensive workshop, one of them, even if you didn't take it on, if you learnt something from it or you took something away from it, that's a great day for you, because there's something you never knew before you ended up doing it.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, congratulations again, Tom, and we'll see you for the next one.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
How'd that go?